wonder shall never end. Hey, now one. Something they happen, no. Something they happen, my country people. Anyway, this very video una just watch, so probably maybe some of una go don already watch this video for inside social media, but as I come across this video for inside social media, now I say, I must bring and come this my channel, make I use and take talk sense for some Nigeria girls head, most especially some of una wey be Nigeria girls where they call herself Rose girl, where they think say una too wise, where they tell herself say if boy not get money, una not go date am. Make una come see o. If una too dey desperate to dey look for boy where be say if they drive Venza, where they bust champagne, where be say if they carry thousand, they spend only one night. This is a guy you know that is not working. You not go sit down, ask yourself, say, this very boy when you dey date, which work you dey work? Somebody where they work, you not go fit they use money lavishly, like the way this your boyfriend will be Yahoo boy, take they waste money. Make una see now. Now the method where some boys want they date, this is the method many of them use to make their money. So if you not dey careful for your own self, you dey look for a boy wey be big boy. Small boys go dey carry una dey go nightclub, they carry una dey go everywhere, all because of say una want to associate with bigger boy, my dear. So date a big boy, e no be say dey bad o. If you want date a big boy, make sure say that guy dey work legit work. You dey see the work where they work. If you know they see the work where your bobo dey work, my dear, it is better for you. Go look for another better guy where get a very good potential. Even though say that guy know they see thousand they spend, you go know say you go they date that guy, your mind go dey at peace. It not be for you to date guy where they drive Venza, to date guy where they use how much thousand till they buy one bottle of champagne. You go buy and go bust hand go ahead like this, like say nothing they happen. Many of all those guys, those are the category of waiting I just watch now for this very video. The painful thing for this this way they go on now for some of una wey be girls, una go really see guy we really dey serious for relationship with una. Una go say because of say the guy no go fit buy una born straight hair or 500,000 naira, e no go fit shook am for pocket give you 100,000 naira go take buy the kind of fashion thing wey you want go buy. You go say you no go date that guy. Many of you don't want to even start life with that guy when you know say get good potential. The most important thing when you are dating a guy, look at the way your boyfriend they reason. That guy when you they date, if now somebody will be say he get plan, he know what they do. Maybe the opportunity never just get to be in the position of the type of work where he like to do in future. But as he just a start and they go, if you dey date am, you be correct girl, you go join the boy, you go support him for a plan. If there is actually true love, if the both of them really love on herself, before you know it, you see that Yahoo boy when you want go date, because of 1 million naira we go give you for one night, because of 200,000 we go give you for one night, because of any amount of money we go give you, may you go say look good, and you know fully well that even those big men, politicians, where see they do some kind evil thing, they not go just wake up one night carry that money give you as a Rose girl. It know they happen unless they want to see get something from you. Una know say how those people where they put hands for all this kind of evil thing, nothing goes for nothing. As they give you that money, the money go they sweet you. You go to say, now your luck just shine. You go to say, because say you too fine. You go to say, you too package, your level high. Now make those guys they give you big money. No, they are giving you that large amount of money in exchange of what they want. If you don't know it now, I want you to get that right. Girls, be so very careful. Most especially, una will be Nigeria girls. Una too dey kind of greedy. Una too get long throat. These days, many of you don't even want to date an average guy that really have a good work doing. that really kind of okay, even though they make 1,000 at the end of the month, but the guy is making sufficient money that will be enough for him to pay house rent, for him to feed, for him to even still give to you as his girlfriend before everything go better. Una go say no, already made. Lazy girls. Some of una will be girls. As some Nigerian guys, they're very lazy. Now so some of una will be girls, now so na lazy. If some of una not really lazy, one na go dey so desperate to they date all those guys where they involve in ritualists, in money ritual. Una go dey date Yahoo guy. You go know so your boyfriend a Yahoo boy. You know mine. So far when they give you that money steady, you go even see and say want do some kind sacrifice in your presence. You no go even shake you. After all, if you tell and say make it stop, you no go they give you that thousand where they give you, my dear. Remember, if that your boyfriend no see somebody or anything where they request from his hand, make it go carry come, go to do what he want go do, you will be the next victim that will be in his own trap. No it. And so they chop the money now, they chop and make it they switch you. Okay? Una know many girls will be say, all those Yahoo guys, all those guys will be say they believe in all those ritual stuff. Now know how many numbers of girls will don't fall a victim of all this type of guys when I watch for this video. So even this very video when I watch, una know the kind of chicken where they chop. Una know whether na human being. Now they carry wey happen to be girl, now they carry go to do the sacrifice where they do, so they can't change her to become chicken where they can't they chop. So girls, make una wake up. When you are too greedy, when you are too desperate of money, you don't want to work. You just look for a guy where go they give you thousand. At the end of the day, just they pray 247. Make you not go be a victim of this type of guys. As you, they date all those guys, you they enjoy. They say if somebody they chop waiting they sweet am, may you still remember. So that's where you see they chop where they sweet you. If you don't use sense, to see chop am, if you see kind of end up to be bitter for your mouth, now be all those type of guys where they involve in this kind of ritual thing. One at the date now, so their matter be. As you they chop the money, as they give you thousand, you they feel say you they rain, you they feel say you too much, you they feel say maybe you too package, my dear. The day we go search for you, when they go carry you enter that place where be say they want go use you, go take kind of do what they want do. You not go see any of your friend where you go come when I gather they do runs together. You are on your own. Many of them don't see how many girls where they use so far where they see for inside this social media, and still they not go see sit down and correct on herself. Make una know what they better for now. Make una know say if una follow guy where be say he get good potential, where get work where they work, say that one go better for now. Una not go say make una sit down reason now. Make una use sense, so make una use sense. If you want to keep dating all those guys where they involve in all this kind of desperate money, make you still ready as a babe. Anytime, any day, make you not go be their victim. Because they feel use you will be their girlfriend. They go use you. They go see use you will be Ron's girl. They go use you. Because why? You dey greedy. You are so desperate to make thousand from a guy. Now so those guys, they sit dead desperate to see make thousands. So if you end up to be their victim, you are on your own. So my country people, as I come across this update, now I say make I bring and come here. So put your comments, how now take reason this whole matter. Don't forget subscribe and press the bell sign. See you in my next update.